Okay, this video I'm going to show you how I've done my gear door hinges for the Mosquito and how it's been a little bit difficult to sort them out and figure them out. So here's the information that you get on the plan. It really only shows here small details of the hinge, and here, and again from looking from above it has just a little bit of detail here and here, and you'll notice when I put this on the hinge line that it isn't actually straight, which makes it a little bit difficult. And then you have a small detail about how you want to make these hinges, and trying to bend these little bits of wire and secure the brass tubes and get them accurate and repeatable was actually going to be pretty tricky. So what I've been able to do is I've been able to use some commercial flap hinges. So you can see they're just normal flap hinges, and I've been able to take them apart easily, and then I've cut one side away so it'll open further, and then I've been able to run a tube here, like secured with little bits of tube and a whole rod that runs all the way, so it's got a tube here, tube here, tube here, and there's another tube right at the back here, and that supports the rod all the way. And if I show you how that looks using my pointer, it actually looks as the plan does, kind of not straight. And what I'm able to do is I'm able to thread the wire through these commercial hinges, and then attaching to the gear door is a bit difficult. You have to use some balsa packing because it's not just a straight connection. And you can see from my temporary gear doors that I made, you can see they're all compound curves and different shapes at the front and the rear, so I'm very glad I made a trial set so I can experiment and cut these around a bit. So I've also been able to use my gadget, which allows me to control the servo without having to have the transmitter. So you can see how it will control the servo, and I can do it slowly, and I can adjust the speed, so that's really been helpful to get this to work. And also I've installed a temporary spring. You may see this thin bit of wire. It then goes up into this slot, which again is great from these commercial hinges. And actually the way that's bent, it's a torsion spring, and it's trying to keep the doors closed. So if I retract the gear now, you can see that the door will come closed automatically, and then as the door opens, it's the main legs here, you can probably just see it on this part of the hinge, that's actually pushing the doors open. So that means that the wheel is clear as the door comes out, and that's in its fully retracted position, and then it'll retract, again sliding down this hinge, and it'll come down, and as it comes there the door will shut automatically. So a lot of fiddly stuff, a lot of trial and error, but I'm really pleased with the result. Neat set of hinges, it all works. I figured out how the springs to close the doors. I'll also have a spring on the front as well to make sure that the front part of the door closes as well. But a lot of work, but really pleased with the result. But then that's model bow for you. Cheers!